Answer a question, where does the sun rise? And you answer it, east. But as you all know, we have studied that the sun is stationary at its position. So how can the sun rise from the east? Have you ever asked the same question? Well, you might not be the only one to answer the same. Thinking carefully and asking the right questions is what we call critical thinking. It's like being a detective in your own mind. The NCF recognizes the importance of equipping students with essential life skills like critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and collaboration. Students who are actively taught critical thinking skills are better equipped to tackle complex educational challenges. Well, let us know about your thoughts on critical thinking, and don't forget to answer the question in the comment section below. You might even find that answer from the real